Toyota warns 50,000 US car owners to stop driving, get immediate repairs. An airbag inflator could explode and potentially kill motorists. Toyota has issued a critical warning to 50,000 US car owners, urging them to immediately stop driving their vehicles and seek prompt repairs due to a potentially deadly defect in the airbag inflators. The advisory, labeled "Do Not Drive," applies to certain models, including 2003 to 2004 Corolla, 2003 to 2004 Corolla Matrix, and 2004 to 2005 RRAV4S, all equipped with Takata airbag inflators. The alarming notice stems from the well-documented dangers associated with Takata airbag inflators, which have been linked to over 30 deaths worldwide, including 26 in the United States, and numerous injuries since 2009. These inflators have a propensity to explode, releasing dangerous metal shrapnel into the vehicle upon deployment. This recall adds to the extensive history of Takata airbag recalls, marking one of the largest auto safety callbacks in history. Over the past decade, more than 67 million Takata airbag inflators have been recalled in the US by over 20 automakers, with the global tally surpassing 100 million inflators. Toyota specifies that the RAV4 recall pertains to the driver's airbag, while the other recalls involve the front passenger airbag exclusively. Some Corolla and Corolla Matrix models are subject to a second recall, which can cause the airbag to deploy without a crash, posing an additional safety risk. Notably, Toyota's "Do Not Drive" warning follows similar actions taken by other automakers in response to fatal incidents involving older Takata airbag inflators. However, Toyota has not disclosed whether this specific warning was triggered by a serious injury or a fatal incident related to these vehicles. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has not provided an immediate comment on the situation. Other automakers, including Stellantis and Honda, have previously issued similar warnings and recalls for vehicles equipped with faulty Takata airbag inflators, underlining the widespread and persistent safety concerns associated with this issue.